Morning, Mia.
Good morning, Dad. I want breakfast.
Okay, Oa. What are we making? How about sandwiches?
Yay! I love sandwiches.
Great. Let's check the fridge.
I see bread.
Good. Do we have cheese?
Yes. One slice. Only one? One slice is enough. Share? I want it all.
Mia, sharing is good.
Okay, maybe just a little.
Let's see other ingredients.
We have lettuce.
Good. Any tomatoes?
One tomato left.
Just enough for one sandwich. Oh no.
Don't worry, we can fix this.
You just have to fold it exactly like this, and then the rest is easy.
How?
Maybe we make half sandwiches.
Half?
Mm-hmm.
I want a big sandwich.
Okay, we can try.
Can I help?
Yes, you cut the tomato.
Ha! Okay, one slice. Two slices.
Ah, careful, Mia.
Don't worry, Dad. I'm careful. Good job. Here it is.
Oh, perfect. Now cheese.
Only one slice. What now?
We can put it in the middle. Bread on top.
It looks yummy.
Yes, but there is only one sandwich. One?
Who will eat it?
We have to decide.
I want it! Ah!
Oh.
Dad, maybe we share?
Okay. Let's split it.
Half for me, half for you.
Perfect.
Wait, what about Mom?
Mom is at work.
Just us then. I am hungry.
Me too.
Can we eat now?
Yes, let's sit.
Yummy.
Very tasty.
Dad, I want more.
There is no more.
Oh no.
Maybe we can make another.
Really?
Yes. We need bread.
We have one more slice.
Good. Cheese? Cheese?
No more cheese. Okay, I like that too. I will do the lettuce.
I cut the tomato. Whoa!
Done.
Bread on top?
Yes. Huh. Ready.
Wow, looks good. Let's share again.
Okay, half for me, half for you. I think we should make more sandwiches tomorrow.
Good idea, Mia.
Can we buy more cheese?
Yay. Breakfast is fun, right?
Yes, very fun.
Sharing is important too.
I like sharing with you.
Me too.
Next time, more sandwiches.
I think this is the best loaf of bread I have ever seen. Dad, can we add them?
Yes, we can.
And more cheese.
Ah, son.
I love sandwiches.
Me too.
Maybe we should make sandwiches for Mom, too.
She will be happy. Okay, breakfast is done. Yes.
Let's clean the kitchen.
Okay, Dad. I love breakfast with you.